Today I'm going to show you Windows GodMode, a file with all the important control panels applications. First, copy the GodMode code from the description below. Now right-click anywhere on your desktop and create a new folder. Hit Ctrl-V to paste and then hit Enter. Double-click the GodMode folder to open it. Now you should see all the important system files such as Device Manager and much more. Just want to test it and not create a folder on the desktop? Copy the shell link from the description instead. Right-click the Start flag and click Run. Then hit Ctrl-V and then hit Enter. That is all there is to it. Please follow on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Thanks for watching.